folks, it is another wet. Look at this mess. Well, it has rained a bunch this year, but it's starting to come in under my garage door. It's raining so much. Let me close this door, folks. It's Saturday morning. Here's old Furious. He's been making some progress on it lately. What to do today? I think what I'm going to do, I got the drive shaft safety loop bolted in, but the bolts were too long, so I went and bought some more bolts. And the other day I ran the fuel line and cut all the electronics on. Everything works. The electric fan works. The water pump drive works. The electric fuel pump worked. The interior lights work. Everything. I was amazed. I wired all that stuff up correctly on the first try. So I got everything working. I just got to get the finish up the plumbing. I'll work on that next couple of days. There are no part stores around here that sell this stuff. I think there's a couple up in Raleigh. Man, that's just aggravating. You can't, you know, regardless, it's got nothing to do with Mopar. Even if you work on a Chevrolet, just fittings for fuel line, AN fittings and stuff like that. Local Ace Hardware has the brass stuff, but you know, I want to put AN. I'm going to replace this, you know, with something a little bling bling. I'm a little bling bling. I'm a bling bling guy. So we'll finish up the install of the safety loop, finish to put the drive shaft in, and hook up these exhaust pipes. That's what we'll do today. And then I guess tomorrow we'll take this carburetor apart and clean it out. And the only thing left is to get the fuel line, to finish hooking up the fuel line and re-prime the engine. So we're getting dangerously close to making some racket out here, other than drilling holes and beating them with a hammer. So, whew, man, I really like the way my hood came out, folks. I went on and put these, I don't know if I've shared that video yet. Went on and put these bolts in. I gotta fix this. I'll fix this. I'm trying to get this thing. I want to make some of these early testing tunes. They have the tracks early in the year have all day testing tunes. You can just go out there. If your mess ain't right, they're not mad at you. When you get later in the year, they get a little mad at you if you bring a car that don't run right. And I don't think it's not going to run right. I'm just in case. So let me get started on it here, folks, and we'll see if we can knock it out. My little list there is whittling down. So let's see if we can knock out a few more things. I'll be back with you a little bit later on. Oh, I think the temperature outside is about 34 in this shop. It's hard to see on this phone, but it looks like there's 32, 30. It's like it's 35 in this shop. Not bad. I wish it was a little bit warmer. Yesterday I was out here most of the day and I ain't had no problems. I'm kind of used to the cold. So okay, just thought I'd mention that to you. Let me get started. Okay, folks, I got the rest of the bolts in the hood, and what I'll do, I'll come in here and just when I get time, loosen these two bolts here up and just kind of patch that. Shouldn't be that big a deal. So we'll set it up on top of the car, get it out of the way, and then I'll commence to working on the fuel line, going to the carburetor, and getting all that stuff straightened out. Gotta say something. This stuff right here, this tape, Gorilla Tape. Man, this stuff is for real. This is no joke. This is the best tape I have ever used. It's like you know, the big wide, I guess you'd call it like duct tape. I put this stuff around some windows that I had took a window out of a car so I could get in there to take the regulator out. I had a customer to buy the regulator, and just went on and taped plastic over the window, didn't put the glass back in. And man, it went through several rainstorms and this stuff is still holding strong. And other products I've used would only last one, maybe two rainstorms, they'd come on pieces. So Gorilla Tape, if you're listening, good stuff, very good stuff. Hey, Furious fans. Okay, I've gotten a lot done today. I got the primary drive shaft loop installed. I'm on the wrong side. I can't show it to you that good. There it is. You see that? So she's installed. She's 6 inches back from the center of the yoke. And I went on and put the second one back in too. That's the one I ran last year. It's 12 inches back. Just did that as an extra safety precaution. I got the drive shaft installed. Got the pipes, this pipe on, and I'm trying to. It moves around a little bit, so I'm trying. I guess I need to tighten up a little bit more. That's definitely needs to be tightened up more. But I'm trying to come up with a bracket where it won't sag. I got it propped up with some boards, as you can see. So probably gonna just run a straight bracket straight across, and then just put a second nut on it right here, and tighten it up a little bit better on this end, and that should do it. It should be fairly easy to get to, and maintenance wise, if I need to, and I'll go mock up the other side over there. Now here's the deal. It's 35, 36 degrees in this shop. Sleeting out. Well, it was sleeting outside. It's turned to rain. It's cold, and I've been laying out here on this concrete floor for close to 3 hours. I ain't been on the floor the whole 3 hours, probably 2 hours. And this cold concrete starting to soak into me, so I'm starting to get a little cold. So I may go inside and get some coffee, make a sandwich, warm up a little bit. It ain't gonna get no warmer, so I'll come back out and. But let me work on this a little bit more. Okay, folks, you can see I'm on the other side of the car. You can see this drive shaft loop a lot better. It's a solid kind. It doesn't separate. It's like I said, it's 6 inches back, and this one here is 12, or it might be 14. Can you see that one? Yeah. Okay. That's just kind of like you buy at Jegs and Summit. It just unbolts and whatnot. All right, I did a better job of putting the pipe on this side. It's tight and it doesn't move. And so I mean, it moves, but it doesn't wobble around like the one on the other side. Evidently, I got the one on the other side. Got the clamp installed wrong. This clamp right here. So we'll broke my light. So we'll go back over there and work on that clamp a little bit. And yeah, this side here is much better. It's not moving up and down. Okay. All right, folks. I'm gonna work on that other side. Okay. Let me show you what I did. I messed up. I forgot I had put a different set of headers on this car, and you can see where somebody had run, probably used the same kind of clamp, these band clamps, and they had run theirs all the way up to here. I had forgot I had put headers on it, a different set of headers on it, so I ran the band clamp all the way up, and that was what was making it so loose. It wasn't enough of the clamp on the pipe here, so took it back apart and I marked it equal, so it's half of it's on the pipe, half of it's on the header. And as you can see, let me get my light over here. That made a big difference. It was flopping all around, so it's a lot tighter now. So I only bought one of those clamps because I wasn't sure if it was going to work. Looks like that is going to work. So I'll rig up some kind of a steel hanger to mount that, and I'll put a clamp on the other side. And that'll put my pipes under it, and I like that. Put pipes on it because they built houses all around me now, so I got to keep this thing quiet. And I went on and bought some cone inserts to stick in it too. The pipes quieten it down a lot, but it's still pretty loud. It's just like any other car with no mufflers on it. It's just, you know, straight pipe. So, and so anyhow, I think I'm gonna go inside. I'm satisfied with this today, the progress today. I'll get back out here and buy another clamp, and I may come back out this afternoon and play around with mocking up some different clamps, and I'll buy another clamp for the other side. I gotta clearance this center link here. It's a little too close, and clean the carburetor out. So we're narrowing it down, folks. So I'm gonna go warm up a little bit, folks.